Sent away from our tribe, a barren void at our feet. Not a drop to drink, not a thing to eat, an unbearable heat. Losing touch with who we are, I wonder how we would taste. And the notion comes that the days ahead are worse than any we face. Then from out of the sky appears a prophet of white, with a message of hope. Go north out of sight to crystal carpets of light. Like a storm in the night, sing your prophecy loud. White bison gives us our voice, lightning medicine cloud. Overcome with the thought of once again being alone, without the land we love and the love of life, the way we've always known. It seems impossible now, even with his insight. I know it's sound advice, but something's not quite right. There's something sinister there, it moves through the air. A ravenous hunger consumes our despair. As we tear through his hide, ignoring his cries, the light of day fades away, and we'll run with the night. Like a storm